You want to put this new one in. There's no right or wrong way of putting it in. It kind of gives you it kind of shows you how it goes in. You know, if you try to go in this way, bolts don't line up. It only goes in one way. And what I recommend, you hand tight all these bolts in before you tighten it up, because it is going back into aluminum. It's a very thin and sensitive spot. So I'd hand tight all 4 bolts in before actually tightening them. And you go into aluminum, so don't have to go super duper tight, because you'll just strip the threads out. But this gun does about the perfect pressure. Voila. Now, go back to your 14. If you got a buddy to help you out, it'd be awesome. If not, you're just gonna have to use some good old strength. But if you get 114 over here with your hand, and then you just gonna have to just push up over here. I got it. Got these 2 guys in. You can tighten them up a little bit, but don't do it all the way, because you got 2 more here to put in, 2 more here to put in, and you're gonna need to make sure that these guys all fit in before you go ahead and tighten the whole thing up. You should recommend you put them in by hand, so you don't strip none of these. If you strip these bolts, man, you're gonna hate life. And it looks like, see, you can adjust them a little bit over, and you can take the nut off and you can do it with that. See, now all 6 are in, and they're pretty much in the middle. Try to see, you know, where the old spots are, to get them all exactly there, and it's all there. So we can go ahead and tighten these guys up. And then this little rubber thingy, this guy, goes rubber facing transmission. And then you got the 2 nuts. Oh man, right here. Now what I like to do is just double tighten it, just double check with your hands, because this one's a little, it's going to metal, so it's not going to aluminum, so it's okay to over tighten a little bit. Don't overdo it, but just give it a good cinch. But look at that, we left that on the wrong side. No big deal. Just go ahead and take these 2 12s out back here. There's one more right here. And there's one more right here. And then I'll float. Now put the front guys in. And then put the back guys in. There's one right here. There you go. That mount's now in the middle. It's not rubbing nothing. Engine's back to where it needed to be. So in order to replace that mount, you're gonna have to drop the mid pipe first. I got a video of that. Go and look that up and give you an idea how to change it. So since that's done, we put this exhaust back up, but this is also damaged from the accident. The pretzel cat in the front